Hello guys, welcome to Olivia Repair channel. Recent days, many of my friends ask, "Oh, where are you, Olivia?" My answer is that recent days I'm doing some secret thing about refurbish knowledge upgrade and something else. Recent days, one typhoon coming to China. It is with big storm and heavy rain, but it's okay. We are safe. Okay, today I would like to share with you the latest tech. It is about the iWatch, the Apple Watch mould. As a repairman, repair iWatch is very hard, but today I would like to share with you a way how to repair it safe, fast, and good. You can see this mould and the Apple Watch with the cutting film machine, foam machine. You can do it well. Now let's go. First step, we need to use this Apple Watch mould and use this cutting machine to install these two brackets inside, and then adjust this machine in the correct height, and then use that to cut it. But be careful because this step is very easy to burn the screen. So let's start. This is our professional engineer team. During the operating process, you need to use the paper to clean the dust, because if the dust into the iWatch inside, it will hurt them. In this side, you need to use the tweezer to separate the buckle of the iWatch inside. So by this way, it will separate the glass. Touch still works well. Now you can see it is already separate the iWatch glass with the cutting machine. Safe, no hurt the screen. The second step, we need to use this manual separator machine to separate the iWatch glass. And here we need to use white oil, OC tape, and this 0.035 separating wire, because Apple Watch is very freezable, so you need to use this style separating wire. And I also would like to share with you why we need to use this OC tape, because as you know, during the separating process, if the outer broken too much, you need to use this. It will protect small pieces to into the iWatch inside. So let's do it. When you separate, you need to balance separate with the wire. It will let your separating process easier. You can see now on the OLED successfully separated, and then by using these remove glue tools, you can adjust the speed to remove the glue. In the middle time, I just want to talk with you guys because I think as a repairman, you will face many failures. But I just want to ask you, how about your feeling during the repair process? What's your favorite thing during the repair process? Today, I would like to introduce with my professional engineer Jim. I want to ask him about these questions. 乐哥，你觉得你在维修中就是最开心的事情是什么？
最开心的事情就是挑战每一个新型号成功的时候。如果是挑战失败了之后，我会冷静下来，然后找出失败的原因。
我觉得很好。Jin said, during the failure process, he will come down to think it over what's caused to this problem. By this way, he will let us and let himself to better and better. And another way, the most happy thing is when he success to challenge the latest model and repair it successfully. So I think my goal is to let your failure time lower and lower and let your happy time for success more and more. Now we come to the last step. Laminating and the bubble removal process. After this process, you will see a complete and perfect iWatch. Now, let's go. First, you need to install with the 4 small stickers and this with OCA universal mould. Take out the protector. Stick with the OCA. Use this nut to stick with it. It is very important time to clean. If you're not clean, it will come with some dust. Dust will come with bubbles. Take off the protector. it's done, it will open the door automatically, so you don't need to wait here and will save your time. OCA laminating process is done, no bubbles. Stick with the OLED with the glass. Here you need to be careful. So by this careful, you will know deviation. Now we start to LCD pattern. Both pattern start. Only for me, it will done to LCD laminating process with automatically laminate and remove bubble. Now the LCD laminate and remove bubble is done. We can test the effect of this. No bubbles. Now the Jim will use this to test the LCD works good or not. As you can see, touch works well. Now all the process is done. It is about the repair. I watch whole process video. I think if you have some confusion about the repair or something else, you can contact with me. We can talk more details. And if you also interested in some latest model, you can also talk with me. I will cooperate with Jim to prepare for you. And I think in my life, we will also face many failures. I hope that in your life, when you face with the broken times, you also have this patience to repair them. Hope you have a good day and good life. See you next video. Bye bye.